Issues in public relations or crisis management. The handling of public issues make evident the link between public relations and the idea of democracy. So an issue is a subject on which there are one, uh, two or more strongly opposing arguments, emotional involvement of large number of people, and the concern that the decisions will have an impact on people's lives or the smooth functioning of the society. So, in every organization, public relations serve as a vital anchor that keeps its reputation and external relationships afloat. So, it is a shield that minimizes risk and damage upon progress, initiating a robust growth and the evolution. So, without it, detrimental crises and issues will occur inevitably. So, simply, public relation has become more and more crucial in the modern business world, where the simplest written word online is capable of bringing an entire organization down. So, what are the problems with public relations? So, well, like public relations actually getting attention and respect it deserves. So, despite being aware of its significance, many PR practitioners remain ignored and unacknowledged in their organization. So there is like the problems with public relations are like lack of understanding. Like one of the problem with the public relation is that uh, public relations are an advancing field in the most evolving countries worldwide. So like this has caused and stunned growth of the industry in the world. Like there is a pre-convinced perception that public relation is just a mere topic in mass communication or marketing professional institution. And there is like problem of budget constraint, like organizations that are particular on their budget cuts and distributions leads to poor financing management of the public relations department. Financial restraint are able to derail the progress and the efforts of the public relations. High expectations, like clients tend to have high expectations towards the PR department to perform wondrous work in order to realize their preferred expectations. Too many communication platforms, like communication platforms provide a convenient effective way of transmitting messages across to the target audience, but the obstacles to pick the most suitable communication medium for clients should be troublesome. So like a social media or convenient and free of charge hence has some more popular, or we can say that the internationally they are poor appreciation. Yes, like another one of the problem with public relation, we can say that that is the poor appreciation, is that most organization leaders rarely have any acknowledgement for the department. Like they tend to believe that anyone could do the work of public relations if given the task. So these like leaders will commonly have a narrow perspective of the professions. So they feel as though that there is no need for engaging both in-house public relations and experts to manage their reputation. And there is also one more problem, that is finding the right talent. Like public relations can be confusing. For example, the skills of the PR manager is shared in a different industries such as like communication and ethics and management and marketing. As such as you may find practicing journalists, designers, business personnel, and a psychologist in PR manager roles and etc. And there is also one problem, like importance of public relations credibility. Like public relation increases an organization's credibility because it earns the coverage of numerous trusted sources. Like additionally, these are intermediaries that communicate to a certain target audience which regards them as a filter of the unnecessary content. There are also one more problem, that is damage control and the problem with interacting with consumers. So these are the various issues and problems in the public relations. So when issues are not controlled and get out of hand, that is cannot be settled before they become huge and threatening. They move to category of crisis. A crisis is a public or organizational issue that has grown to such an proportions, that is, ultimate resolution appears to mark a turning point. So, although businesses like schools, hospitals, and other established organizations with the sophisticated public relations policies devote substantial effort to anticipating or avoiding issues that might have a negative effect. So they will also raise issues when they believe that public discussions might be beneficial. In contrast, there are many special interest groups whose major activity is to raise issues in the democratic tradition in which people ultimately decide. And there are various types of issues: latent, emerging, hot, fallout. Latent issues are like just being formulated by far thinking scholars or a social activist, but with sufficient apparent validity that it could become an issue sooner or later. And emerging issues are like starting to be written about in a scholarly journals or specialty media. Perhaps a special interest organization adopts the idea or a new group forms around it. Early adopter opinion leaders so begin to be aware. It starts to spill over to wider publics, but no coherent action plan or broad support is yet evident. Hot are like full blown issues in current debate, and fallout issues are like leftover remnants from the settlement of the hot issues, which can come back onto the public agenda because they have already attained visibility. Target audiences. Most of the time, practitioners work with a specified target audience, such as employees, neighbors, stockholders, members, donors, and customers who are perceived to have a self-interest reason to support the organization. So these audience make up the organization's constituency. Contacts with them seek to reinforce, broaden, or deepen the two-way commitment. So, like public relation is primarily about reputation building, and so targeted audiences include the key stakeholders, legislators, event sponsors, employees, community partners. For example, like a solid PR campaign includes at least some segmentations by audience and uses paid or earned media to connect with them.